Greetings from Infra Engineers India Private Limited, IEPL, the multi-brand used construction, mining equipment and special attachment company. IEPL strives to lead in innovation and meet industry needs. Hence, the company progresses by developing EV-converted diesel engine to electrical excavators of different models of construction equipment. IEPL designed customized EV excavator mounted on a concrete base of height 4 meters with long reach, attached with orange peel grab, operating around 22 hours per day. The company keenly customizes as per specific customer requirements. IEPL has also customized EV crawler tracked excavator as per customer requirement. The EV excavator finds its application widely in metal and scrap handling, waste management, loading and unloading operations, and granite sector. IEPL has made its reach to large scrap handling companies and receives repeat orders. IEPL's motive is to bring maximum benefit to its customers by having low maintenance, no fuel cost, fast and easy operation, and lower the carbon footprint. IEPL converts diesel to EV excavator for a wide range of tonnage, spanning from 6 tons to 100 tons. Within a short span, IEPL has converted over 50 excavators of diesel engine to EV and has 30 orders in the pipeline. Join us on the EV journey and reach out to IEPL for any EV and used construction equipment needs.